Hi, my name is Amy Garcia Villarreal, and I'm an SI Avid Tutor for the Office of Student Success. And today I wanted to be talking to you about how to use the databases that TSTC has online for you to use. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the TSTC website, which is tstc.edu/Harlingen. Okay, and you want to look for, under quick links, you go to library, and it'll take you to this page, and then if you scroll down you will see databases, and you click right here. Okay, so there's 55 different databases, which can sound overwhelming, and you might be like, oh my gosh, I don't know which one to use. The ones that are have pretty much all the articles are the Academic Search Complete and the Master File Premier, which is down here, this one. Okay, if not, if you have a specific one that you want to look through, like this one, Bibliography of Native North Americans, or a computer source, or if you just want to see ebooks, then you would go to those specific ones. But if you want to look through everything that the databases have to offer, you would go to this Academic Search Complete. You click there, and it'll open a new tab, and here you have, it's kind of like Google in a way. You want to type in here, like it says, enter any words to find books, journals, and more. So here, say you want to look for, let's say, dogs and cats, okay? So, dogs and cats. So you do search. So you're going to get everything that says dogs and cats, or cat and dog, like, or just the word cat, or just dogs, pretty much like a lot of articles. And you can see you have 7,133 search results. Okay, so by you having added the word "and" in between them, that'll make it search. It gives you articles that contains both terms. So it'll be like dogs and cats. So it'll give you some that have dogs and some that has cats. And if you change this to the word "or," it'll give you, you see, you get even more articles, because this gives you all the articles containing either term. So that increases the amount. So it can have dogs, or it can have just cats. Okay. You can also change this for "not," and it'll give you stuff that only has dogs in it. So like if you're looking for a specific mental disorder and you don't want a specific one to even be listed in it, then you would put "not whatever that other type of mental disorder would be." Okay, so those are ways to filter through. Another way is you can do right here on the side. You will see right here it says limit to. So this is where you would like refine your search, and you would want full text, because with full text it'll give you just stuff that it isn't just a little piece or a little article. It's an actual PDF with like a couple of pages, or like if the article is only one page, it'll give you the whole thing, not just a part of it. Also, you want to change the publication date, because sometimes you need information, like say about medicine, and you don't want something from like 1892. You know what I mean? Like nowadays the technology has advanced, and so medicine, there'll be different information on medicine. So you would want to change this to maybe like the 1990s, or maybe even if you're doing medicine, you would probably want something closer to in this, to like the 2000s. So this is going to limit your search to like 14 years, or 13, because we're not 2014 yet, right? Another thing is you can check off right here the source types. So if you want something from an academic journal, or a magazine, a newspaper, so you would check those off according to which ones you want. And so this, as you can see, it has started lowering the number from our search results. Also, you can do a bunch of stuff like the subject, the publication, the company, the geography. The geography is where it was published or what place it's talking about. So say we just want the United States. That'll lower it to 194 articles from 12,000. So just doing these small little steps will help you find better articles that will go with what you're trying to say. Also, if you want to group words together so that they're searched in a certain way, you would put parentheses around them. And this will make it be searched. The results will be dog and cat. So it'll change your thing a little bit. You also can put it in quotes. So let's say dog. Or let's put medicine. You would put it like that. And that'll give you, when you put quotation marks, it'll be for the exact phrase. Medicine field. And that'll give you certain things that say that specific thing. Also, like I said, this will really help you out with refining your search, because whenever you're doing research, you want to limit your search because you don't want to read through or skim through 11,000 different sources. So right now, how we have it set up with the limit of full text and the publication date, and that we only want certain things and from certain geography, it has brought it down to only 36 articles. So that's a lot easier to have to look through instead of spending hours going through numerous pages. Another thing that you should see is that another advantage of using the databases would be it gives you kind of like a little abstract, so you don't have to read the whole article. You can see if it is actually useful for you and what you need to do. And here you can find everything you need for citing. You can also see on the side, you can print it, you can email it to yourself, which is very useful. Because I know when I did my research paper, I forgot to save the articles, and so I had to go through the internet looking for it, and that was not fun. So I recommend you save it onto your pen drive, but also that you email it to yourself so that you can have a backup in case you wash your USB when you put your jeans in the wash or something, you know. Also, what's very nice about having or using the online databases that TSDC offers is that it has the citation already made for you. And in different formats. So that's what I really like about this. Here's the APA, which you would use for like science or like psychology classes. And it also has the MLA, which you would use for English or literature or different subjects that you have. So what you would do is just copy and paste, change the font, obviously, and the size. And just so that you're extra sure that it's correct, maybe go to owl.english.purdue.edu so that you can verify that you have the correct information and it's in the right spot. So hopefully this has been a helpful video. I know researching can be frustrating and time consuming, but hopefully this will help you to shorten that time and to find articles that you will actually be able to use, and that it'll make it easier for you to do your works cited page as well because you already have the citations. So I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Amy Garcia Villarreal, and I'm an SI Avid Tutor for the Office of Student Success. Thank you.